Of judgment, item number 1 to 3.
Common judgment. The writ petitions are dismissed. Sorry.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27. Some more time may be granted to file reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by respondent. Lordship.
27.
Yes.
Yes. On the prayer of Mr.
S. E. Rang, Lordship.
S. Learned Counsel
Petitioner, Lordship.
for the petitioner. Now, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks so as to enable him to file affidavit in reply.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Deeply.
Yeah, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, Lordship. Here we need some more time, Lordship, to file our affidavit in reply.
11. You are for?
I am for petitioner, Lordship.
Okay. On the prayer of
11.
MS Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of
M. Kata, Lordship.
M. Kato,
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. That this matter be listed after 3 weeks so as to enable her to file affidavit in reply. Mr. Tita, Learned Counsel, Learned Standing Counsel for the education is present.
And
Is
for
termination,
yes, Lordship.
common termination.
My
Yes,
lord.
Lordship.
Can there be a common termination?
My lord, exactly, it's not a common termination, but so many people, but there's the categorized has been made, my lord.
Okay.
PRT, TGT, different, my lord.
And Lordship, further I beg to mention item number 20 and 21, Lordship.
2021.
Yes, Lordship. Here we need some more time to file our affidavit in opposition, Lordship.
Okay. No issue.
My lord,
Let the interim.
my lord, yes, interim, my lord.
Yes. Same Waiga on behalf of DSGI. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship. 3 weeks,
3
Lordship.
weeks. Itaguma for petition both interim order
My lord.
shall continue. In
Both
both
of
Obliged, Lordship.
same order but separate.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10. I'm appealing with deep banking. Item number 10, I'm appealing with deep banking. Mr. Deep banking out of station. Mr. Deep banking out of station.
On the ground that Mr. Deepang Lani Senior
My lord,
the petitioner has some personal difficulty. Mr.
Sita jo.
Sita Lani Council appearing on this press for listing of the matter after 3 weeks.
My lord, here I'm appearing for respondent number 10 and 11, my lord. We have already filed our affidavit, my lord.
Mr. Opada Lani Council for the respondent number
10 and 11.
10 and 11, as well as Mr. Y. Ramlan State Council are present.
All right.
Your Lordship, may I? Your Lordship, I wanted to mention an unlisted matter. It's regarding land compensation.
Listed land compensation, no urgency.
Your Lordship, actually, there was an final hearing was supposed to be on 31st of August, but the CEO has already passed an order yesterday, and we received it yesterday through WhatsApp, actually.
Saying what?
Saying, Your Lordship, I actually just received it just now, so I'm quite unprepared, actually.
Unlisted?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 o'clock. We'll see.
2 o'clock. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 4.
Do you have the report?
My lord, yes, my lord.
Risk card there.
My lord.
Think over it. We'll fix it on for disposal on Monday.
Monday.
Think over it.
Okay.
Heard, mister? You were learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. No, next one. Mr.
Item number 5.
My lord, may kindly have my additional affidavit which I have filed yesterday.
No, what is the instruction?
Yes, my original honor. Created yesterday. Yes, my lord. Yeah, my lord.
He's the member.
Yeah, secretary is the member,
No,
not the commissioner, my lord.
additional affidavit you see.
Yes, I have seen that, my lord. But
And
he cannot be the member, my lord, of the council, my lord.
you, what is this? Additional affidavit?
Yeah,
Fifth Executive Council meeting of Arunachal Pradesh University is scheduled on third at 11 a.m. in offline as well as online mode with the following members of the Executive Council of the university. Of course, this is of last year.
Yes, my lord. And my lord,
Is he presently still a member?
no, my lord.
Why you are saying? How you are saying?
Because-
Who is the member?
It is the secretary, my lord.
Secretary, who is the secretary?
Secretary is my lord,
You just cannot evade like that.
Mr. Dangan, my lord.
He's a member now.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Because it is clearly provided in the,
Additional
Direct, my
Advocate
lord.
General is saying.
my lord, I may have to respectfully
And plus,
defer it.
no, by your this 26 September 25 letter, I mean the notification meeting, he was there, commissioner was there. He said now presently.
Now, my lord, only catch point here is
Hmm.
the advertisement was floated on 8 August 2025.
Hmm.
And thereafter, see, my lord, he attends, still he attends 26/9/2025.
When was the constitution?
Annexure 4, page 42, my lord.
27 February.
Correct, my lord? He was still there.
Hmm? No.
They,
See, advertisement was issued, meeting was held where it is shown that commissioner was the member of the executive council, right?
correct.
Now, the constitution for search committee was issued on 27 February 2026. If I have understood correctly, according to the London Additional Advocate General, that at that point of time, he may have been a member. Now it's a secretary.
Yes,
And I've asked him, simply secretary will not do. I said, who is there? What is the name of the secretary? From where you are saying?
my lord, I have spoken to him yesterday also, my lord. No,
Whom to believe, whom not to believe?
my lord, I have given my small note today.
And my
I have answered everything in my note, my lord. My lord is still my lord. My lord, the constitution of the church committee, my lord, it was on 27 February 2026.
Hmm.
And my lord, when the petitioner has agitated, my lord,
Hmm.
it was of July 15, my lord,
Hmm.
after the lapse of 4 months, my lord.
Hmm.
By that time, my lord, as my lord can see from the instruction, my lord.
No, when this notification was issued, there is on 27 February, who was the member? Secretary or the commissioner?
And according to his instruction itself, only yesterday it was issued, my lord.
Which
And
one?
it's digitally signed in the instruction which he has brought in.
He is, where is the instruction?
My lord, I have placed on the record, my lord.
Okay.
Instruction was shot yesterday, my lord. Obviously, my lord. Yes, the filing of this. It should be signed. Filing of this read petition, he was still the member. It implies so.
Process for referendum.
An argument.
Process is also completed.
Yes, no.
Instruction.
Yes, my lord. As per instruction, my lord. No.
So let us do one thing.
Okay.
Let him file affidavit. We'll give him 10 days time. You can dispose it off. If it's really correct that secretary is the member as required under the act, right? Can't help it. But if he is not,
My lord,
if the commissioner is the member,
correct.
then obviously you have a case.
My lord, I need only 5 minutes grace.
No, no.
Grace from my
See,
lord. My lord, kindly, I am seeking an
Sir,
interim prayer.
I'll tell you. Now, on your own, this thing, we have asked for instruction. Wrongly or rightly,
Correct.
they have brought in
I
instruction
brought out.
saying that secretary is the member. He has named the name of the secretary also. And as per the act, right, secretary is the member. There is no commissioner like that. Therefore, we'll give them a chance, 10 days time to file, bring on record so that we can decide.
I brought down, my lord.
Yes.
Kindly give me 2 minutes, my lord. I will contain on another 2 points.
Ah.
The respondent number 2
Hmm.
was never been recommended by the executive council of the Arunachal University. And unless the nominee is there, my lord, kindly have page 51.
No,
Yesterday
respondent number 2 is respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2, my lord. Kindly have.
Who is
page-
respondent number 2? This commissioner.
Commissioner. Why I'm saying so, it has a very important relevance, my lord. Kindly come, according to their own RTI reply, my lord, kindly say annexure 7, page 51, my lord. Page 51, my lord. Top confidential, my lord, will see.
Fifty-one.
51, my lord, kindly see. He was never recommended by the Executive Council, and it was signed by Professor, then the Vice Chancellor, my lord. The recommendation of the Executive Council in terms of 10, my lord, Section 10 of the Arunachal Pradesh University Act 2012, this is the one who will have to recommend. There is no instruction. My lord, entire procedure is murky, my lord. From where he has drawn power to include himself in that search committee, my lord, and the selection commission, my lord. He cannot be there. He cannot be there, my lord. Therefore, my lord, 10B1, 10(1)B comes. He cannot escape from this statute, my lord. One member is to be the nominee of the governor. Okay, my lord, the chief secretary, he can be there. There is no quarrel on that proposition as well, my lord. Secondly, my lord, kindly come to page 46, my lord. I want to show something, my lord. And also simultaneously, my lord will have my additional affidavit. My lord, I have answered in my additional affidavit, my lord, page 78, my lord. My lord, yesterday posed that question, whether the member, the inclusion of a member of the nominee of the chairman of the University Grant Commission is mandatory or not. It is mandatory because, my lord, because of in their own letter, my lord, they have used the word indispensable. My lord, kindly come to page 46.
Chairman.
There is a mandatory under 2018 regulation 7.30, my lord, of 2018, the participation of the nominee of the chairman UGC is a must. There is a judgment on this, my lord. There is a judgment on this. And in this impugn committee, the nominee of the chairman UGC committee is not there. Chairman UGC is not there. My lord, kindly have my para.
With the nominee of the chairman.
Nominee or chairman UGC or the nominee of the chairman. My lord. That is what the mandate says, my lord. That I have.
Or there's a nominee.
No, my lord. It is not there. It is mandatory. There is a judgment by the.
No, it's okay. You have seen this. Dr. Prabir Kumar Ghosh he's a nominee. Page 42. Only one member nominee is required.
That's why, my lord, I respectfully bow down what is falling from my lord. But at the same time,
What can we do today? We'll have to give them a chance.
No, my lord.
It's a motion.
I understand, my lord. Kindly, there is entire procedure.
It has been completed.
No, my lord.
We'll simply say that subject to outcome of the petition. We cannot install it. We cannot turn the clock back. They said it has been completed.
But the root of the case is the constitution of the selection committee.
Selection commission, church committee, there's no dispute now as regards the other member, other nominees, right? Only whether the secretary or the commissioner.
Second point is, my lord, 7.3 of the UGC regulation.
What does it say? Come to this UGC, please.
My lord, please come to 72.
You cannot decide a motion, sir.
My lord, I understand, my lord. I also have my own prejudice and predicament, my lord.
It's okay. You have to make them understand.
Yes. My lord, then on this point, my lord, I would place a judgment on this. And
one member of the church committee selection shall be nominated by chairman. University Grants Commission for selection of so and so.
Correct. So what
Ghosh is there, Mr. Ghosh is there.
My lord, kindly come to 46. The answer, my lord, will find in the answer 46.
Page 46.
46, my lord. This is their communications, my lord.
To request for attending online online, virtual proceedings so-and-so, in so-and-so. To attend the personal interaction selection of vice chancellor only.
My lord will see this page 47 type copy, my lord. It's very clear. Last line we'll see, my lord. Second last line. Sir, as the nominee of the university grant dispensable.
Correct.
Because of this indispensable, he has written a letter sent to the mail to them that kindly adjourn it till 15th of July. Then I am available. And without this, my lord, this has to be conjunctively read with 7.30 of the UGC regulations. And what the law says, law is very clear. Unless if
It says that one member of the nominee of the chairman or the UGC chairman, this is the nominee.
Correct.
If he could not, if he did not appear,
No, that's why.
and the quorum is 3 only,
My lord,
there are 4 nominees.
that's why, my lord, the law is settled in Calcutta appointment of vice chancellor of the Calcutta University. It's 24.
We'll finally determine.
Yes.
We'll issue notice, finally determine. If you want, we can give them 10 days time to file the affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Rest 3 nominees, no dispute. We don't want to go into that. Only the
My
secretary.
lord, my only graceful prayer before my lord is that, and kindly make that observation, till the adjudication of this matter, no appointments would be issued.
No,
Otherwise,
that we cannot. Selection process once completed, it's very difficult. You have also participated.
I have.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are apprehending?
No, because my lord, I have categorically mentioned that when I
think let them issue the appointment order. You challenge that I also raised before the appointment, right?
Para 9,
The constitution itself is
my lord, see kindly para 9. I have made a categorical statement. Kindly see.
saying what?
Saying that when I found that the committee, search cum selection committee is constituted not in accordance with 10B, section 10 of the APU Act 2012. And then also the presence of the UGC member was not there. So then I objected that. Para 9 of my affidavit.
2 weeks. 2 weeks, let them file affidavit. We'll finally decide the matter.
But till then,
And we'll say that subject to the outcome.
Fine, but
All right.
Yes,
All right.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You bring on affidavit.
Yes, madam.
And this, whatever you want to say. All right. 2 weeks.
But my lord,
I thought 10 days.
my lord,
If you argue more, I'll extend to 1 more week. 3 weeks.
my lord, may I only request before my lord passing?
Then 4 weeks.
No, my lord, whatever it is, my lord, may I gracefully submit that kindly.
I understand. This is the motion. Motion is.
Still then, my lord, kindly have my.
I've heard you 2 days.
No, my lord, kindly come to 3B only. Only 1 minute, my lord. It will
Yes.
take 1 minute.
What?
Page 4 of my note, my lord.
Page 4.
Page 4, my lord. There's 3B, my lord.
Page 4.
Page 4, 3B, my lord. 3B, my lord. I would submit in addition that the mandatory UGC nominated expert was kept out of the final interaction altogether, my lord. That's, may I please to invite my lord's attention to clause 7.3.0 of the UGC regulation 2018, which governs the selection of a vice chancellor. I submit that this clause mandates that the search cum selection committee include a nominee of the chairman, University Grant Commission, and that is the requirement is not directory. It goes to the very validity of the committee's proceedings, my lord. 1. 2, my lord, may kindly refer to Annexure 6, which we have dealt with. I submit that these documents show that Professor Pravir Kumar Ghosh, Vice Chancellor Biswa Bharati, and the nominee of Chairman UGC on this very committee was requested by the convener by letter dated 15/6/2026 to attend the interaction schedule for 17/6/2026. I submit that Professor Ghosh, by his email dated 15/6/2026 at 7:45 p.m., expressly informed the convener that he was unable to attend on account of his engagement with the nationwide Yuva Sangam. So even and especially requested that the interactions be rescheduled to a date after 17 7/2026. Now I submit that the search committee did not accede to this request and proceed with the interaction on 17/6/2026 in Professor Go's admitted absence. I would emphasize that the convener's own letter, my lord, has said indispensable. Page 47 records that the presence of the UGC nominee will be indispensable.
Okay.
I conclude this.
Mr. Tara, don't blow up everything. Don't make them more wiser.
No,
Keep something
they
with you.
become wiser because my lord has given them opportunity.
If they come if they become more wiser, it will be difficult for you.
I understand, my lord.
Keep something with
They have done already because that's my submission because
today is motion. We'll just issue notice, give them 2 weeks to file
10
the
days, 10
reply.
days, my lord, 10 days.
Well,
And subject
2
to the
weeks,
outcome.
minimum. 2 weeks. All right.
My lord, fixed date I'll take. Because I know the system in the government, my lord, how they works.
Third, Mr. Titi Tar, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. G. Bam, learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenges made in this writ petition is to the notification dated 27/02/2026 issued by the Chief Secretary, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Page 42, by which a church committee for selection and appointment of Vice Chancellor of Arunachal Pradesh University has been constituted under Section 10 within bracket 1 of Arunachal Pradesh University Act 2012 on the ground that the commissioner within bracket education, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, may being a member of the court authority of the court and the authority of court and the executive council, court and the executive council of the university under section 17(1)(6) and 18(1)(3) of the Act 2012 Act has been included as the nominee of the executive council of the university in the church committee. List of the petition also no list of it is also no the petitioner also challenges the challenges which is also contains that the UGC nominee, the member nominated by the UGC did not participate in the relevant proceedings of the committee despite did not participate, although he has sought for a time for participation. List of therefore the constitution of the church committee is in violation of section 10(1) of 2012 Act and clause 7.3.0 of the UGC regulation 2018. Next para, issue notice returnable by
My lord, may I request
2 weeks.
May I request to add one sentence?
Hmm.
That page 51 may be recorded. my lord. He was
What is that?
respondent number 2 is not the nominee of the executive council of the university.
You did it.
May kindly record that.
It is also contains that the Commissioner of Education is not the nominee of the, in fact, is not the nominee of the
Executive council
Executive Council
of the
University, as the nominee was nominee
Page 51.
for the Vice Chancellor of the university has page
Page 51. Professor Amitabh Mitra.
nominated two other questions. Then the Commissioner Education. List of issue notice returnable by 2 weeks. As Mr. All are represented.
Mr. Gadi is.
Respondent number 3.
Mr. D. Khamduk, London Additional
and four.
Advocate General.
Appearing.
You are also appearing.
3 and 4.
Okay. Selection comes.
Chancellor.
T. Gadi, London Standing Council. Arunachal University.
Yes.
Arunachal Pradesh, my lord. No.
Now Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh University.
Yes.
Yes.
Not Rajiv Gandhi.
No.
Arunachal Pradesh
Earlier,
University.
AU was converted
And-
to Rajiv Gandhi.
And
This is a new place.
Mr. J. Modi, Land Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Jamu, Land Standing Council for Higher Education Department. No formal notice need to be served. How action copies be so and so. Considering the issue as to whether the having considered that having considered the issue as to whether the Commissioner Education Government of Arunachal Pradesh would be nominated as member of Church Committee under the Act, this code on 27, directed the Learned Additional Advocate General to obtain instruction. Mr. Khamduk, Learned Additional Advocate has placed the instruction, a written instruction, issued from the Director Higher and Technical Education, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, which reflects that the Secretary, within bracket Education, one of the members of the Executive Council of Arunachal Pradesh University, Pasighat, and not the Commissioner Education. It also reflects that the process for appointment of Vice Chancellor Arunachal Pradesh University, Pasighat has already been completed. List of in view above, the council for the respondents to file their respective affidavits on or before the next returnable date.
Yes, my lord.
Having considering that the process has already been completed, the process for appointment of Vice Chancellor Arunachal Pradesh University, Pasighat has already been completed as indicated above, no interim order is called for at this stage. However, the further
Entire selection
proceedings-
process.
the further process for appointment shall be subject to outcome of this writ petition.
Item number 6.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, this is a case where the respondent authorities,
Will issue notice.
I'm fine, Lordship.
You find out what's happening.
Lordship.
What is the account number?
Account number is Lordship 341005380.
We have mentioned.
In para,
34100.
yes, Lordship,
Agreed
341.
by the bridging of the bank account number 34100538087 maintained with the Central Bank of India, 0 branch, by the petition, this writ petition is instituted. Issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. You are appearing for all.
All the respondents.
Why they have freeze it? Why they have frozen it?
Lordship, just because my brother is one of the accused in SIC case and
In connection with what?
yes, Lordship, in connection with
In connection with, you continue, in connection with this SIC case number. What is the case number?
Lordship may find in a synopsis also, Lordship.
2 of 2019.
2 of 2019 under section 120B, 409, 420,
2 of
467, 468, and 471 of IPC, and under section 13(1) subclause A and 13(2) of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988.
And PMLA case number 02 of 2024, huh? Get it, huh? PMLA case number 0 of 2012. As Mr. K. Land CGC.
Yes, Lordship.
And first appearance accept notice on my only respond, no formal notice. Extra copies, sir.
Highly obliged.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Item number 7.
Yes, sir.
May it please your lordship. Lordships, this case has a very checkered history. Lordship must have some point of time handled it. Now, Lordships, if Lordship will kindly have a look at the relief that we are seeking. At this stage, I am just seeking a notice. If I may, Lordship may kindly come to page 27 of my petition.
Where is the impugn order? Which order you are challenging?
Annexure 19, which is page 123.
Annexure 19.
19 at page 123.
123.
Yeah. Though it's a continuing cause of action, the impugn order is of 2016, but as on now, the fact remains that I'm still there. My possession still remains and I'm still there in the land. Until 2026, land revenue is also I'm paying.
What is the fine? What is the order here?
Yes.
Basically. How
May
you
I
are
just
aggrieved?
may I just place it? The typed order is from 127. Lordship has said a typed version, which is easier to read. A complaint was filed by so and so on
It's
second.
okay. We'll not go into it. What is how you are aggrieved by this order?
Yes, we are aggrieved by the order. Please come to page 3, 4, and 5, and then Lordship, I'll come to the effective portion where we are affected. In response, may I read para 3, 4, and 5?
3, 4, and 5.
At page 130 starts. In response to the letter submitted by the director, Neres wide letter dated 4th April 2002 for reconsidering the allotment of the land to 28 persons, Shri so-and-so and 27 others by the Land Management Department. As the land was already allotted to Neres, the Department of Land Management GOAP had cancelled land allotment in favor of 28 persons and the same had been conveyed to the Deputy Commissioner, Papum Pare District, wide letter dated 19/3/2002. Now the next paragraph. Aggrieved by this, Shri Takam Pario and 27 others appealed to the Honorable Gauhati High Court. And the Honorable Gauhati High Court in WPC 435 AP of 2002 state the cancellation order and asked the Land Management Department to submit its reply. 5. In response to the above, the Director Land Management had submitted a reply via letter dated 24/3/2003 stating that the cancellation is reviewed in favor of the 28 persons, including Sri Takam Pario and others, and wide order number so-and-so dated 19th May 2003, the Director Land Management conveyed the same to the Deputy Commissioner Papum Pare District UPA, and accordingly land allotment orders were reissued in favor of the 28 persons. Now the first question that arises is, once you've made a statement to the High Court, could you have thereafter again gone ahead and
You are
cancelled
the
it?
same person. You are 28.
I'm within that 28. I'm one of them.
Okay.
I'm one of them.
What about the others?
Others have not come, Lordship.
They are not interested.
Well, I don't know, Lordships, that are very difficult. I'm not holding the Wakalat.
Yeah.
Now, Lordship,
Again, it is cancelled.
now Lordship will come to where we are affected. To page 134 after going to the merit. After going to the merit of the matter, it is being found that either by mistake or deliberately, this is no one's case, the disputed land was doubly settled in favor of so-and-so and 27 others in 2002, which was cancelled by the land management thrice, and the Honorable Gauhati High Court has also upheld the order 3 times in so-and-so and so, thereby confirming the right of nearest authorities over the same. Therefore, last paragraph, therefore a board is hereby formed to demarcate the boundaries of nearest as per the allotment number so-and-so 311290 by 15 June 2016. They form a board. The board will demarcate in presence of nearest authorities, till now not done. After demarcation of the plot, Sri so-and-so will carry out eviction proceedings if any encroachment exists inside the demarcated area. So no proceedings have admittedly been initiated till now. We are still in possession of the area. So therefore what we are trying to say is 3 things, Lordships. If I may, we are just trying to say something. We are not saying that.
But issue notice today.
Please do that, Lordship.
If
Please do that.
nothing has been done as on
Yes,
today.
please do that. And
The order is of 2016.
no, but this is a continuing cause of for Lordship's
No,
convenience.
that's why I will just issue notice.
Yes.
See what is their response.
We are saying that there are 4 issues that arise. Lordship will just have this. There are 4 issues which may arise in the context. Lordship is issuing
So
notice.
are you praying for any interim?
No, we are all saying that in the meantime, let there be no coercive action. That's all. No coercive. They are not anyway taking, but let it be fair.
No, we'll
Because
not say
these
anything.
issues, they also have to
We'll
respond.
not say anything today. We say since they have not done since 2016,
Yes.
nothing will happen.
So therefore, those 4 issues, if Lordship may just have a
If
quick.
anything comes, then
Yes, please give my friend a copy. Please. I will just read it. Lordship may reword it because these issues would definitely arise. May I just read it?
it's okay. We'll issue notice.
Very,
We'll not go.
very.
My lord, this,
Mr. M.
this writ petition even does not deserve notice, my lord.
Counsel assisted by Mr. Hussain, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Aggrieved by the order dated 25/05/2016 passed by the Deputy Commissioner Eternal Capital Complex, the petitioner, only one,
Yes, Lordship, only one.
who is one of the land allottee amongst 27,
28 Lordships.
no, including you,
Including me is 28.
27 persons. As per this writ petition, on the ground that on the ground that since the petitioner has been duly allotted the land in question, there would not have been any reason to all that the allotment was done by mistake or over.
That is what they say. Though they make a statement before the High Court in the previous round.
And the,
That is very important.
in respect of the land which is them to have been allotted to the nearest authority, nearest issue notice returnable.
We are also, Lordship, basic prayer number 3. That also if Lordship can consider, because there is a verification report which suggests that they may be allotted. So we want implementation of that.
The petition also seeks implementation of the recommendation in the verification report dated 18/04/2016 submitted by the board constituted by Deputy Commissioner Itanagar, by the order dated 08/04/2026. Then issue notice. You are appearing for 1, 2, 3.
Yes, madam.
D. Kamdu London. Additional Advocate General, there is appear access notice on respondent 1, 2, and 3, no form this.
This,
Land Council body will take stage for service of notice upon respondent number 4 within 2 working days. list the matter after 4 weeks.
Wherever Lordship's convenient. Lordship, in the meantime, let them at least not take any steps, Lordship.
My
They are
lord,
still there.
not said it, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, this,
Very well.
their
Very
land allotment, my lord. It has been cancelled and
No, you have not done anything since 2014.
And they're
Did not
accepting land revenue till 2026.
Huh?
They're accepting land revenue till 2026.
The-
I have the land management book also.
my lord,
Those legal effect has to be seen.
my,
So therefore, I'm
my lord,
Yes.
on the same cause of action, my lord.
Considering that the petitioner is paying the land revenue.
Yes.
What is called?
Land management, that
No,
book,
what is called that?
that is a annexure 9, Lordship.
Revenue or what?
Yes.
Land revenue or what?
Yes,
What
yes,
do you call
yes.
it?
It
Yes,
is called
land revenue.
land revenue.
Land revenue.
Yes, my lord.
Collection of land revenue and premium. We have annexed it till 2026. we have.
Till date, no coercive action shall be
I am so
taken against
grateful.
the petitioner.
Uh,
Till returnable debt.
My lord, may kindly let me place
I am
one, my
extremely
lord,
grateful.
judgment of this honorable court, my lord.
Huh?
It was filed by the same petitioner, my lord. In
There
the
is so many judgments.
2009, my lord.
Order.
This is the judgment of
There are
2009 by this
four-
honorable court, my lord.
They have filed 3 writ petitions.
By which, my lord, their land cancellation of
And
their
you
land
are-
allotment,
at
it
one
was,
point of time, you said you have decided to cancel or what?
They decided to cancel. Then when we came to court, they made a statement before the court. We have reviewed it.
Review it. Then
that-
again, you have.
Again, after that, they have again
decided to
cancelled it.
cancel.
again,
Imagine our status, Lordship.
again, it was cancelled now. Against that, my lord, they approached this honorable court by filing this WPC 85 to 2009.
And also to maintain the status quo.
I am so very grateful. Very grateful.
We'll see.
Yes, my lord.
You could have done long time back.
But their land allotment has already been cancelled and that has been upheld by this honorable court, my lord.
Where it is?
Here is, my lord,
No,
the order
they are
passing,
saying,
writ petition 85 2009, my lord.
despite that, we are still
Same
there.
petitioner, my lord. Same plot
Despite
of
that,
land.
we are still there. That is what we are saying.
Have you annexed that? This?
Yes. Despite
No,
this, we are
he has
still.
not annexed that
Which
order, my lord.
Which order? No, that order we have annexed, Lordships. This is a DB order of annexure A12, page 77. We have annexed it.
No,
This is a division bench order where it says the cancellation is correct. The division bench says that. We have annexed that order. Which if Lordship will see at page 87.
Single bench
We are giving the division bench order which affirms it.
against this.
We affirms it.
Ah.
At page 87, please have a look. We are page 87. The fact, the last 2 paragraphs, Lordships, page 87, the division bench. The fact that some other parties have been allotted land and allowed to construct the opposite side of the national highway does not advance the case of the appellant. If a mistake has been committed in making the allotment to some other parties, the same should not be repeated. But this is entirely for the respondents to decide and take corrective action. We therefore do not find any merit in the appeal. Now, the last paragraph. We are told that the appellant has been in possession of the land since 2002. It should read at 2002. That being the position, the state respondents may look into the matter and reconsider the issue. And if it feels advisable, it may consider allotting an alternative plot to the appellant. So that is what we are saying. And even after this, till today, they are accepting land revenue.
How can you do that? This is this cancellation has been already. On 11/20/2010, and you have taken a decision in 2016
That's it.
for demarcation. Has it been brought on? I mean, has it been considered when the deputy commissioner decides?
That, my lord, will have,
File affidavit.
yes, instruction, my lord. Despite the presence of that judgment, my lord, how,
So that last one, status quo, delete.
That at least the coercive action may not be.
That will remain.
Very good, Lordships.
You have not done today, we'll see.
much,
I am so grateful, Lordships. Very grateful.
Item number 8.
Your Lordship, This matter may be passed over for time being, Your Worship.
Why?
Since Mr.
What's there?
Disoki is in the court number
We'll
5.
issue notice. What's there today?
Yes, Your Worship. Notice may be issued, Your Worship.
We'll issue notice. We'll record his name.
Yes, sure.
Or we'll record your name.
No, so I have
We'll
no.
issue notice. We'll have to see what.
That can be done, Lord. Yes, sure.
Third, Mr.
J. Karbak
J. Karbak, learned counsel for the petitioner.
on behalf of Your Worship.
Your name is also there? No.
No.
Then we'll record his name. This okay, learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this petition, the petitioner challenges the Gazette notification number 4 FOR .98/76. That is 1309/1977 issued by the Secretary to the Market Forest Government of Arunachal Pradesh, whereby 99.84 square kilometers of land has been constituted into Tapragam Ansel Reserve Forest on the ground that such notification and the said notification has been issued without following due process of law. The petitioner claims to be the petitioner and the some other petitioner and the Tayank clan claims to be the landowners of Tayanku area within bracket now called Emir bracket close in the district of Lohit Arunachal Pradesh, wherein the 48 BRTF has set up a base without acquiring the land of the petitioner and the Tayank clan list of the land initially the earlier the land proceedings was initiated. A land acquisition proceedings was initiated, however, same could not be concluded as the authorities, as the same purportedly falls within the Tapragam Ansel Forest Reserve. List of the petitioner also prays for adequate prays for compensation of the land under the land used by 48 BRTF. Next para, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. Vairira Learned State Council and Mr. K. Lawyer Learned CDC enters appearance accept notice on all the respondents, no formal notice need be served. How extra copies be so and so.
Extra copies, those maybe, sir.
Extra copies. Then next, same
Same, Your Worship.
area will be different. Same notification.
Same notification.
Area will be different. What is the area?
Area.
Yon camp, Yon demo. This is the only recent claims that the land claims that he has an ancestral land at Yon camp, occupied by BCC, GRF and public BRTF for installation of stone crushers so and so.
Item number 12 to 16.
This for disposal, final disposal today.
Lordship, Lordship, I am for the CGST. We received the affidavit that as per the order dated 2707, the state has filed their affidavit. So we need to file rejoinder, Lordship.
Why are you also a petitioner?
No, Lordship.
Then
I'm also one of the respondent, but
How can
there
you-
is some
I could-
record, which we need also, or we
When
need.
you reply,
To file there, no, to tate ase, ulta
is it permissible?
Lordship, we need to bring some record over here because they had brought some other record.
Sir, what he's saying,
My lord, I've got
it's
nothing
not,
to say.
it's not,
How
counter to that. You may file additional affidavit
Yes,
to
Lordship.
bring it on, whatever you want to do, but then you cannot file a counter to the counter
there are-
affidavit filed by, the respondent, you yourself being the respondent.
Exactly.
Lordship, their state, we are in center.
That's
We-
why,
Yes, but they had brought some other record.
why they act, the state and central should act, why not they act in unison?
Lordship, here actually dispute is regarding.
Are you against the state?
No, not against the state, but the some record which need to be brought before this court. So that.
Okay,
because-
sir.
No, my lord, there's one thing. They're so keen to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit filed by the state. But they need to file two more affidavits, my lord.
Ah.
Because we have, in this case, my lord, we have alleged specific malafide against the commissioner. He has not filed any affidavit, number one. Number two, my lord, we have filed a contempt petition, where lordship was pleased to observe prima facie there is a contempt. They have not filed their affidavit. Why are they not filing affidavit in those cases?
So will.
My lord, we have made a very serious allegation against the commissioner. If your lordship would kindly permit me to place one
Sir, let us
paragraph.
do it.
Ah.
In any case, it's not possible today.
Ah,
So you file in the contempt as well as the
Yes.
behalf of the
Lo-
commissioner, as well as your own affidavit, whatever you want to file,
yes.
additional affidavit, whatever.
Lordship, Lordship, regarding contempt, we have not received that service copy.
No, they're appearing, my lord. The same council is appearing.
But Lordship, they are not served because without
How can
serving
it
our.
happen, my lord? That will not serve. This is not correct, I think, my lord.
Because Lordship,
But in contempt case, nobody is shown to be represented.
yes,
My lord, they have received notice. They have not appearing.
no Lordship,
You have,
At least now today they have the notice.
Lordship,
today they have the
they are
notice.
supposed to serve us the copy then.
just give,
Yes,
yes.
without serving,
they can just give-
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
because I had just. I
But in
can't-
the-
That's-
yes,
that's
yes,
But in the,
Contempt.
yes.
You have to be very serious.
yes,
yes.
Contempt and then.
despite the court's order, our chartered accountant was taken into custody.
He's now,
Now, of course, he has been released on bail subsequently, my lord.
okay. And Mr. Ken should.
And my lord, in the WPC number 316, we have specifically alleged malafide against the commissioner and two other officers by name. They have not, denied their allegations. They have neither filed affidavit. If they are taking that risk, it is okay. By name, we have made them parties, alleging malafide. And malafide is of a very serious nature, my lord.
We'll say the may
Yes,
file
yes,
affidavit,
yes.
assisted by Mr. Abhishek, learned counsel for the petitioners. And Mr. And Mr. R.H. Nabam, learned additional advocate general for the state, as well as Mr.
Tea keeper.
Keeper for learned standing counsel.
Yes, Lordship, CGST and CX.
For the respondents. Next paragraph. The state, an affidavit of opposition has been filed on behalf of the state. List of Mr. T.
21.
Keeper, learned standing counsel, submits that he may be granted some time to file affidavit. Additional affidavit in view of the stand of the state respondents. List of. It is also noticed that despite receipt of notice, the alleged contempt in contempt case number 25 of 2025 has not filed any affidavit. It is further noticed that an allegation of malafide is been made by the petitioner in WPC
316 of 25, my lord.
16 of
Against respondent number 2, 5 and 6 by name.
respondent 2, 5 and 6 by name. However, no response has been filed as yet to the stuff concerning above and as prayed for by Mr. T. Kripa, counsel for the petition. Let this matter be listed up to 3 weeks.
21/9, my lord, if it is not in.
3 weeks.
Yes.
3 weeks on 21 so and so. In the meantime, Mr. Kripa to file affidavit as sought for by him, as well as an affidavit in contempt case number 25, as well as affidavit in WPC 1316 on behalf of respondent number 1, 5 and 6.
Yes.
2, 5 and 6.
2, 5 and 6.
Yes, Lordship.
List according.
My lord, interim orders will continue.
Interim order first earlier shall continue.
Replay.
But
Oh,
Mr.
21.
Keeper, you'll have to make them understand since he's the 3 of them have been added as by name.
Yes, Lordship.
You appearing on behalf of them for you may not be advisable. Discuss and engage
Yes.
with
Yes.
the lawyers.
Definitely, Lordship.
Contempt you can.
Yes.
In contempt petition you can.
Yes. In contempt, they were supposed
Because
to serve.
3162 you are also appearing.
Yes, Lordship.
Kindly see it there.
Yes.
But we have directed you to file.
Yes, Lordship.
You discuss with them.
Because previously that senior designer counsel Sikal was appearing on
Okay,
the
but then
316.
you see,
Definitely,
matter
Lordship.
of kind of propriety.
Exactly.
Yes, Lordship.
Or you only, I'm just
Yes.
indicating.
Highly obliged.
Item number 17.
No affidavit.
Yes, Lord, no affidavit.
Mr. Kilolan, counsel for the petitioner. Who is for the respondent?
Lordship,
Who is for the respondent?
GST standing counsel.
Yes, dear
Lordship-
Mr. Kipa.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of
GST.
Tax done. Income tax, Lordship.
Okay, sorry. Income,
Lordship, it's
Lordship,
income.
I'm
income tax.
appearing
Yes,
on
who is appearing?
behalf of the Department of Income Tax. Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of
Madam,
the
you are not
Income Tax
visible.
Department.
Okay, now you are visible.
Lordship,
Income
we are
tax.
praying for some more time to file affidavit.
Okay,
Yes,
on the
Lordship.
prayer of MS
Item 17.
A Pradhan.
A. Pradhan.
Counsel for the respondents. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Item number 18 and 19.
Here also, Lordship, in item 18, the petitioner is claiming for the release of 3 months salary.
They filed affidavit.
My lord, the affidavit we have not filed. My lord, in this case, the petitioner he was transferred out, my lord. Well, as on that, he has not joined the place of posting. So without any discharging duty, now he's claiming the salary, my lord. That is one point, my lord.
Affidavit is there, 1, 2, 3. In 256.
Item 18, Lordship, they have filed.
Item 18
Item 18 is for what?
is for
Item 18 is for release of 3 months salary.
3 months
Lordship.
salary.
Then item 19.
19 is, Lordship, I have been reinstated in my service after suspension. Thereby asked me to report before my subordinate officer, Namsai. That is my case, Lord.
Yeah, this is more important.
Yes, yes.
My lord,
See, it depends on this item 19.
19.
Once you decide that you could not have said, you could not have
transfer out, my lord,
transferred
without
to
any
I mean, to ask him to report to a
subordinate.
subordinate to him, then that will consequences will
My
follow.
lord.
Yes.
Now, obviously, you cannot expect you to make the payment because you have not joined. Is not it?
Yes.
Yes.
Without joining to you cannot claim.
Now, my lord, I just checked.
No
my
work,
lord.
no pay.
Yes, I just checked them on Google, my lord. Now, senior superintendent of APST, my lord. Now, they are class 1 officers. Now, petitioner also class 1 officers. My lord, your lordship may kindly note, he is not the regular executive engineer. So his substantive post is assistant engineer, my lord, mechanical. Now, when you check the my lord, pay levels, my lord, senior superintendent pay level is 12. And even presumed to be executive engineer is level is 11. So if you say the pay levels, my lord, he is superior, my lord. Senior
Lordship,
superintendent.
You file affidavit.
As per information from Google, Lordship, my senior is
But I just checked the Google, my lord. I don't know how it's correct.
No, sometimes Google
May leads, my lord, yes. It can be
mislead you or
mislead also.
misguide you.
My lord will come up with the affidavit, my lord.
Yes, it's better.
My lord.
Lordship,
See,
again,
246 too difficult. If you want pay, go there.
Join there.
Join there and get your pay done. I mean,
yes, Lordship.
they has to prepare
Yes,
certain things, procedures are there. no?
Item 19, Lordship. Again, the same thing will happen, Lordship. I have no place to join, Lordship.
Just go there and you give the joining report to higher authority, whom you think who is higher authority.
No,
Maybe
see-
director or something. Director is there.
No, Lordship. At Namsai.
No, you give your joining report that I have joined at Namsai. This
Yes.
is my joining report. So that
Malad-
your pay can be
At Namsa, my lord, there is senior, my lord,
prepared.
superintendent
Your
is
pay
there.
can be prepared.
Director is there. Secretary is there.
No, Lordship. There is no director, Lordship.
No. I'm talking about in Arunachal Pradesh, but in Namsa, my lord, we have.
Will see. Will grant you a liberty to join
Join at
before the
my
authority, higher
Yes.
authority.
yes, that direction.
You give the joining report and go there in the place of posting. You work there. Otherwise, your pay will not be. It will be held
Yeah,
up.
that is your Lordship.
So
Otherwise,
we'll
Lordship,
say this thing in item 19. We'll say the petitioner is at liberty to
Join his place of
join his
posting.
place of posting by submitting his joining report to the higher authority.
My lord, to the reporting authority, you lordship, may higher authority means reporting authority, obviously, my lord.
Higher authority, because he was directed to report someone who, according to who is junior to him.
Group
My lord.
B gazetted officer, Lordship.
Higher authority will say. Higher authority, maybe director, commissioner, whatever, you just join it.
Then instead of that, Lordship, there is only one sanction post for executive engineer. So I may be
Who else are there?
Lordship.
Who is there? Some other executive engineer is there.
No, Lordship. That has been given in charge to the aide.
Now
you
you
go
can
there,
take it
you
over.
take the charge.
Now you can take it over.
Since I have been posted to Namsai, Lordship, the only sanction post is at Lordship Karsingsa. Only single post.
See, this is for your benefit only, I'm saying.
No, yes, Lord.
Because until unless you join,
Yes, that I
yes,
am.
if we decide in your favor, you may come back.
At least you go and
If you
join there.
don't go, pay will not be prepared. Is not it? Anyway, I will not say anything in that case. It may be, you may think that it may cause prejudice to
No,
you.
no, Lordship. That is why, Lordship, my humble prayer is, since the government is also admitting that there is only one sanction post that has been held by the assistant engineer, Lordship.
Here,
Yes. Well, I have been transferred out from Karsingsa, Lordship. The assistant engineer was given charge. I have
okay, in both the cases, huh?
enclosed the document.
One order, I mean, common order. Heard Mr. K. Lowland counsel for the petitioner. An affidavit in opposition has already been filed in WPC 246 of 2026, which pertains to claim for payment of salary. Next para. As prayed for by Mr. R.H. Nawab Lanet, Additional Advocate General. 2 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit in WPC 352/2026. That's all. List the matter after 2 weeks.
For Lordship, joining liberty may be given before the higher authority, submission of joining report. Because otherwise my salary again, it will
Yes. Considering
only
the
joining.
matter that prima facie, the petitioner has been directed to report to a prima facie to a subordinate officer The petitioner is granted liberty to join in the new place of posting by submitting his joining report to an appropriate
authority, your lordship. may say.
appropriate higher authority, so that his salary
Salary
can
can
be
at least
prepared
Yes.
and your transfer can be implemented. Win-win. Win-win situation.
Lordship. Deeply obliged.
Item number 22.
In this matter, my lord, so far I have not received any the instruction from the department.
Ah.
Therefore, my lord, just only a week time may be granted, my lord. In the
Lordship,
meantime,
here I have prayer, Lordship.
Huh.
Lordship, since my board accused has been, bank account has been freezed by the ED authority without following the due process under section 17 clause 1A, there has to be order. So at least my interim may be protected.
What is interim?
Interim, Lordship, for defreezing my account. Lordship.
No, then matter ends there.
Lordship,
That will amount to granting full relief.
they have violated their provisions, Lordship. First, they have to first make an order. Thereafter, they can freeze.
1 week. He's seeking 1 week. We'll dispose of after 1 week, but ensure that it is filed.
Then that
He's facing real hardship.
that observation may be made, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Kelo, learned counsel for the petitioner. As prayed for by Mr. M. Kato learned is a week's time is granted to invariably file the affidavit in opposition, considering that considering the matter, considering the issue involved in this writ petition being the freezing of bank account.
Yes. On next date, Lordship.
after
Otherwise, may the observation.
I said, invariably.
Lordship. Deeply obliged.
Item number 23 and 24.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lord, in one of the writ petition, my lord, 23, WPC 339, my challenge is to the suspension issued by the respond number 3 director, my lord, who although was not a competent authority to
They
issue
filed the
the
affidavit.
Yes, my lord. Affidavit they have filed.
So today what is to be done?
6-8 million.
My lord.
What is to be done today?
In fact, my lord, I'm pressing for final disposal, my lord.
Not today.
Or my lord since your lordship will kindly see the
They
order.
filed the affidavit today. Don't want to file?
It was filed on 6-8.
6-8.
Okay, you don't want to file affidavit?
No.
Reply.
Rejoinder is already filed.
Okay.
We have already filed our rejoinder.
Then some other day.
My lord will kindly see your lordship's order at 31/07/2026.
In writ petition?
In writ petition 339.
339. Yes.
My lord. Lordship orders 31/07, but lordship will kindly come to paragraph 5 and 6. My lord.
What is there any interim order in this?
No. In fact,
not here, in some other matter.
No. In some other matter, in the matter where
connected with this.
No,
Not connected.
that is also come up today for consideration of interim prayer.
Why?
In fact, my lord, what happened, my lord? This challenge was to the suspension order, which apparently the director has issued in the name of the board and by order. There was no authority from the board, which is apparent now, my lord, because when lordship made a specific query to the respondent to place the approval and the authorization by the board.
Recorded somewhere that.
Yes. That is 31/07 order, my lord. And in fact, your lordship has expressed that this conduct is conduct of getting an ratification and approval done while the matter was pending before this court is only for the.
In which matter?
In this repetition. 339.
339.
339. 31/07/2026. Lordship's order. My lord finds paragraph 6 is your lordship's observation.
Can you suspend, can you state a suspension? This is, 389 is against the suspension.
No.
Against the inquiry report.
Inquiry.
389 is against the the ratification and the approval which is done.
Hmm.
I have the subsequent during the pendency
389.
389.
Okay, then
339 is the suspension.
suspension. That's why I'm asking suspension. Can we just, suppose if we pass an interim order,
Well,
suspending it,
well, that's why I understand.
then
I
matter
understand,
ends there.
I understand, therefore,
There's nothing to be adjudicated
yes,
upon.
therefore, I was
For
pressing
final
for a
disposal.
final disposal.
So will final disposal will fix some other day.
Only thing is, my lord, the entire case is premised on the basis that director is not competent. My lord, as per the relevant statute, the director has the power, my lord, number one. Only thing is it needs to be ratified by the BOM. BOM have done it. That is his only case.
That 31 we have recorded.
Yes. But only
By
thing
our
is,
prime view we have recorded on.
you know, it is no, naturally, my lord, on a first day, lordship only records privacy view, my lord.
So
Now, here in this case, his only case is that.
After the instruction, after placing the instruction.
Yes.
We have
No, my lord, if your lordship should, whether your lordship
not
will.
today. Some other day you give the fix. See, interim order, no, it's not possible.
Yes.
I mean,
So there's
cannot be.
we have also, my lord, reviewed the suspension also.
Suppose we, number one, unless we see that it is palpably illegal.
Yes, yes.
Suspending you, it's difficult. But
And in
so
the
far,
meantime, we have reviewed
in
also.
fact, interim prayer is concerned.
I understand.
Suppose today if we grant,
My lord,
if we grant,
if your lordship give me
it will
2 minutes.
amount to giving you a full relief.
Absolutely. My lord, if your lordship give me 2 minutes, my lord, I can
No, we are not disposing of
No,
that
my lord.
today.
For the purpose of interim also, since what has fallen from your lordship, my lord, if it is palpably illegal, my lord, I can. My lord,
See,
by
what
only-
I said, the
Leaving
committee of the
aside,
view
Malad-
that no interim order can be passed,
Yes.
right?
Malad,
Then I'll reject your interim.
Malad,
Yes.
Lordship will kindly appreciate.
Do you
one.
want me to reject?
No, my lord. Lordship will
Then
kindly-
I will hear.
Malad.
If you want me to reject, then I will hear.
No, my lord, what I am praying for, my lord.
Maybe you
I
have a case, but then in the suspension case, we cannot pass an interim order.
My lord, may I just point out one thing? My lord, the suspension was challenged on the ground of jurisdiction. Lordship issued notice. Thereafter, my lord.
Sir, we have recorded that.
Yes.
We have
And
views.
my lord,
Of course,
and my
not
lord,
the
did a
final view.
very interestingly, my lord, your lordship will be pleased to see one thing. My suspension was on the ground, my lord. There was a forgery being done by me by inserting a phrase in the approved recruitment rules. Very interesting, my lord. They have not brought on record one communication that when this draft rule was under preparation, I was on leave.
It's
There
okay.
was, my lord. And the approved rules, my lord, which is available in the internet
Sir,
also,
some
my
other
lord.
day.
Yes.
You will give you the, since you are.
But since I am on suspension, my lord, I have some urgency.
Yes,
My lord.
you decided it.
Second.
Convenient date of the parties.
Yes. Can it be on 8th, my lord?
8.
Yes.
8, 9.
Yes.
Yes.
Can 9.
Okay.
9.
9. Huh?
9.
Maथे go there.
8, 9.
Gauhati.
No.
Yate. Oh. Then I'll have মই আকৌ হেৰি কৰিব লাগিব 8 তাৰিখে মই এটা আছিলে আহিব
And also
better lordship, WPC 356. This is also connected. Take along.
Yes.
connected.
356 is a challenge to the one-man committee's report, where your lordship has issued notice. And one-man committee's report, my lord, their one-man committee, member of that one-man committee service has to be completed.
And also had Mr. Ken Chaudhary.
That is to delay this repetition, my lord.
Assisted by Mr.
Yes.
JG Land Council for respondent number
123 my lord.
1. There is 1. As agreed to by parties, let these matters be listed on 9, 8 or 9. 9.
And let it be 9 my lord, we'll do something.
9/9/2026. Along with WPC 356 of 2026.
389 is already on record. Already taxed.
Deep problem.
Okay, one go, you finish it up.
But the 356 difficulty is, my lord, tagging that because there is a notice issued to the member of the one-man committee. If that notice is not served, my lord, it will got.
List along with this, but then if there is difficulty, we may agree.
My lord will kindly observe, my lord, that it can be taken up for final disposal in 339 and 389.
But you,
I never made.
you request the, that
On that day.
bench. We don't know.
Yes.
Deep problem.
Grateful.
It may turn out to be this like this bench also.
Item number 25.
Please.
Yes, PP. Same, out of same this thing.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Recently, my lord, they have filed an IA disclosing one of the one more pending case against him where he has been discharged. No, not acquitted. So, my lord, in earlier, my lord, one of the co-accused case, my lord has granted bail considering, my lord, material change in circumstances. But, my lord, my additional submission would be to that effect, my lord. In his case, my lord, the offense is of commercial quantity, wherein, my lord, the punishment is, my lord.
You have already said so.
No, my lord, may kindly allow, my lord, may kindly come to, my lord, one of the provision of the, my lord, this record is there, my lord.
Same one.
Let
them have some parity.
My lord, the role
Commercial is okay.
my lord, the role attributed by the accused has to be looked into, my lord.
Why don't you expedite this thing?
My lord, this court can always, my lord, give it.
How many days?
My lord, 10 months only, my lord.
10 months. 10 months is only.
My lord, 10 months only. Why? Because, my lord, in commercial quantity, my lord, the custody can be. Custody, my lord, custody can be given to 365 days, my lord, for the purpose of investigation.
Witnesses you have examined.
Not a single, your lordship. That is there in the record, my lord. It is in the TCR. But, my lord, what my humble submission is, my lord, this is section 337 will come, and, my lord, the investigation
will consider inappropriate cases.
My lord, only my additional submission would be, my lord, that may kindly be recorded. Like, my lord, yes, my lord.
What is your additional submission?
On additional submission, my lord, may kindly come to, my lord, the section of BNSS, my lord. The under trial prisoner, my lord, the custody period, my lord, because this is section 37 would come, my lord, and for 10 months, my lord, it cannot be considered as a prolonged incarceration because for purpose of investigation, 365 days can be granted, my lord. And 180 days is the statutory period, my lord. In the commercial quantity, my lord. So, my lord.
10 months.
10 months, my lord. This is 10 months, not even a year, my lord. And my lord. Yes, sorry, my lord.
180 is how many months?
186 months, my lord. And that can be extended to 365 days, my lord. So, but well within time, the charge sheet has been filed, my lord. And, my lord, the twin condition under section 37 has to be taken into consideration.
Why do you want them to be in judicial custody?
They are menace to the society, my lord. They are involved in the, my lord, they are involved in the.
So, we have, that's why we rejected it. Earlier occasion or twice we have rejected it.
Yes, your lordship. But, my lord, 10-month incarceration, my lord, is not enough for extending, my lord.
Understand the. Okay.
Only on my additional submission on my lord.
Your lordship. Not necessary. It's okay.
Your lordship.
Mr.
Your lordship.
Land Council for the applicant and also heard Mr. Theatre London additional PP for the state. You want that your additional submission should be recorded?
Yes, my lord.
Why?
Because, my lord, in other cases we will be affected because of the 10 months they will relying on this.
The bail order cannot be,
no, my lord, the consideration, there is no any absolute rule as such, my lord, because.
We'll say that this is not, this order shall not be a precedent.
But, my lord, the earlier order passed by this court has been reported in SCC online also, my lord, regarding that part also, my lord, the 10 months incarceration has been taken into consideration, my lord.
Which one?
My lord, the earlier, which order has been passed in the one of the co-accused order, my lord. There, my lord, there was no any such observation as such, my lord. And because of that only, my lord, the other accused are also coming with the parity that the 10 months incarceration has been taken into consideration, my lord.
I cannot have a different view now.
But, my lord, against him there is an antecedent. Against the other accused, there was no any antecedent as such, my lord.
We understand. There's some, it's okay.
Only the additional submission would be, my lord, the 10.
Okay, then you say additional submission is
My lord, in light of section, my lord,
in view of section
479 of the BNSS, my lord. Maximum period for which
79 of
BNSS, my lord.
NSS.
Maximum period for which under trial prisoner can be detained, my lord. There, my lord, it has been provided the total punishment only up to half of the total punishment or 1/3. For that period, it can be accused can be detained, my lord.
Okay, then I'll see.
Yes, my lord.
479 of BNS.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, disposed of.
Of like, my lord.
Allowed.
Yes, my lord.
You cannot discriminate again.
But my lord, antecedent, my lord. They are not on the same footing, my lord. Obliged. Obliged.
Item number 26.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, on behalf of respondent number 2, we have already filed, Your Lordship.
Okay,
However, Your Lordship, for 3 and 4, we are waiting for the response.
okay. Heard MS?
A. Jongluju.
A. Jongluju,
Yes, Lordship.
learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr.
K.
K. Saxena, learned counsel for the petitioners. Affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number 2
2, yeah.
has already been filed. However, no affidavits. Affidavit of opposition has been filed for other respondents. Next para. As prayed for by MS Peace Ingeta, learned state counsel, and Mr.
I'm appearing for respondent number 6,
Mr.
Milo.
Milo, learned counsel respondent. Further 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit
Hello.
in opposition.
Item number 28 and 29.
We'll resume after some time. We'll resume after some time.
May I please? May I please, my lords?
Item number 28 and 29.
May I please, my lords?
My lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of T. Jamo, standing counsel for food and civil supply. We have not received the service copy.
So there's no noting on this. Office note nahi hai. Where is the office note? Here. IA में. 141. What is 141? IA 141 is for what?
It is item number 28, your lordships. This is with the prayer for the supply of documents. This is directed mostly at, my lords, the private respondents, not at the government respondent. It is for the supply of documents which they have used for procuring the SC certificate. Item number 29 is the main item, my lords.
In IA, what is IA 149? 149.
Lords, for it is.
Okay.
141 is the IA, which we have filed.
149, sir. 149, what is this? Okay. Heard Mr. In IA, 149. Mahmood Pracha, learned counsel for the applicant writ petitioner. Next para. Office note dated 2708-2026 reflects that ID card in respect of respondent 36 and 45 has been received back after service of notice. List of unserved notice, also unserved notice Please stop. It is also reflected that unserved notice in respect of respondent 30 has also been received back. And so far as respondent number, in respect of respondent number 6, 9, 11, 14, 28, 32, 34, 39, 41, and 43, the service report is still awaited. In behalf of learned counsel for the petitioners to take precise steps for service of notice upon respondent number 30.
May I one prayer?
Are you appearing for 30?
I'm appearing for item for respondent number 36. Here in this case, Your Lordship, I filed my wakalat number yesterday. Here, Your Lordship, I haven't received the copy of the main petition yet. Read petition.
Yes.
We need to make small clarification, Lordship. What happened, Lordship? When main writ petition was filed, there was a original, Lordship, 28 respondents. They all are represented. Now, while filing this IA 41 and 49,
141.
Sorry, Lordship, 141 and 149, they implemented numbers of respondents raised up to 45 by themselves without any implement application, without any order from this honorable court. Now, accordingly, when item 141 and 149 was listed, this honorable court has passed an order for taking steps upon rest of the respondent. Then only notice goes to the other newly self-implemented respondent, Lordship. In original writ petition, there are only, Lordship, 28 respondents.
Yes, Mr. Mahmood.
They are represented.
Lord, that was a 149 was a amendment petition to include certain more respondents. But that is in item.
You take fresh steps for respondent number 30 in 149. You find out what is to be done in 479. You just write. Or Mr. M. Mahmood Pracha, learned counsel for the petitioners, huh? And also heard. Give your and Mr.
M. Kambo.
This PJ Sekhi, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
Lordship, I'm
K. Lolan, learned counsel for respondent number
17 to 27, Lordship.
You just
26,
write your name,
Lordship,
and give it. List after 4 weeks.
Milord, may I just say a few words about item 29?
See, this is listed for orders. Whether this is listed for orders, let the service complaint. We'll fix it for admission hearing. Then we'll hear you. All right.
Admission, Milord, can I just point out one order to your lordships? That is on 12th
It's
of.
okay, sir. Sir, let the steps be completed. You take steps for respondent number 30, and let the service be completed. Then we'll fix for hearing. I mean admission.
Plus,
All right.
there is an interim issue also. There is an interim issue that.
First, you take. See.
All right.
On the last occasion.
I will do.
Yes. Okay. Next.
Item number 30 to 32.
30, 31, 32. IA is for what?
For implement of DC as a Deputy Commissioner West Siang as respondent.
Why he should be implemented?
As per order dated 19/8/26, Your Lordship.
19/8/26. Of what?
This court order, Your Lordship.
In writ petition.
In
writ petition.
44 of 25. Your Lordship.
Huh?
44 of 25.
In the writ petition?
Yes, Your Lordship, in the writ petition itself.
Last order?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. Yubor in IA 196. 196.
196.
Learned counsel for the applicant of the great petitioner, as well as Mr. And also heard Mr. Y. Learned State Council, as well as Mr. R.L. Tungan, learned counsel for respondent number
Independent respondent number 4 and 5.
4 and 5. In our read petition.
Yes.
In WPC so and so. 44
44.
of 20.
44 of 2025.
Implement of the Deputy Commissioner, West Siang District, Alo, as party respondent number 8 in the connected WPC 139 of 2025. Next para. The read petitioners, right? Have filed the read petition, connected read petition. What is your prayer in the read petition? What is your prayer in the read petition?
Lordship, Lordship, I'm sorry that I do not have that.
Previously, land was acquired through
What they are seeking? They want what?
reassessment of the land.
Seeking reassessment. The petitioners, 87 something.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Petition.
88 in total.
The applicant along with how many applicants here? Two only out of 88.
Yes, Lordship.
The applicants along with another 85 persons have approached, have filed the WPC 140, connected WPC 44 of 2025, seeking reassessment of land acquired for construction of what?
Lower Subansiri
Lower Subansiri
hydropower project.
Hydropower project. List of. It is submitted that at the relevant point of time, the assessment was made under the Deputy Commissioner, West Siang District, then undivided before bifurcation of the district to Leparada.
No, Lower Siang. Lower Siang, Your Lordship.
Bifurcated to Leparada. Lower Siang District. Next pillar. Considering having considered that the issue involved in the connected read petition, for proper adjudication, the Deputy Commissioner West Siang would be a necessary party in the connected read petition, and the prayer not being objected to the learned counsel for the respondents. I deem it appropriate to allow this application accordingly. Accordingly, Deputy Commissioner West Siang District Alo is allowed to be implemented as respondent number 8 in the connected read petition. IA stands allowed and disposed of.
Then we respondent number
The
newly implemented Deputy Commissioner will be respondent number 6 in 44.
6?
6, Your Lordship.
6, not 8.
Then why 8? 6, huh?
6.
Then in place of 8, it's right, 6. The Next, per in view of the order passed so and so, learned counsel by the petitioners to file amended cost that's it. The registry to incorporate the name of newly implemented respondent number 6. Okay,
In 139, the newly implemented will be 8 euros.
in both the repetition,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Both the petitions they have filed IA for implement of Deputy Commissioner West and
Yeah.
one IA.
2 IAs.
Where is other IA?
Other is not.
197.
Okay, huh? Then separate order, but same. In in IA 196, it is 197,
197, the
196 respond number 6, and 197 respond number 8. That's why I was also we're on 197. That's why. List the matter after 3 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
Hello.
Item number 33 and 34.
So this interlocutory application is for implement of 3 respondent as the private respondent. But if your lordship finds there is a lordship's order at page 12 of the interlocutory application. In terms of the instruction that was placed, now there is a need of implementing the parties, my lord, who have been awarded the contract, my lord, in terms of the NIT which is put under challenge, my lord.
You are for?
I'm for the standing council, for the department 2 and 3.
You will have to allow.
That's no objection.
Heard Mr. B. Kosi, learned counsel by the applicant read petitioner. And also heard Mr. Who is one? Learned state counsel for respondent number 1 and Mr. Disoki, learned standing counsel for respondent number
2 and 3.
The standing counsel RWD.
RWD.
Respondent number 2 and 3. These three
My lord.
3 respondents.
3 respondents. My lord, I have named them in page 6, my lord.
The applicant, public writ petitioner, while the connected writ petition challenging the NIT dated 24/03/2026. List of during the pendency of the writ petition, it was brought to the notice of the court that the tender process has already been concluded, wherein the parties sought to be implemented have been. Why the three respondents?
There were my lord, several works which was published. My lord, there were 6 works published. But although I was eligible for 3, so therefore I am challenging.
Parties sought to be implemented in this application have been awarded the contract work in respect of the NIT dated 24/03/2026 for construction of what?
For construction of road, my lord. Page 25 is the NIT, my lord. कौन से काम के लिए मिला है?
There are various works. Approach road, link road, etc.
It's okay, then in that case, it's all right. Considering above, the parties appears to be a necessary part. The parties sought to be implemented in the connected date provision appears to be a necessary party accordingly. And as agreed to by parties, this application stands allowed. The following parties are allowed to be implemented as respondent number
4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, and 6 in the connected instrument. You just got it from page 6. Huh? And in view of the order passed in so and so, file amended cost title, then register to incorporate the newly implemented respondents. Thereafter, issue notice. Parties to take petitioners to take steps.
Additionally, we may be given a liberty to file served by Dusty also.
Dusty, as well as Dusty.
Interim may be continued.
Interim is there.
Yes.
What interim? It was completed then.
What
What interim?
Interim was, my lord, not to finalize the financial. It is. Let it be continued, because although the work order has been issued, nothing, my lord. It's only on record, my lord. Filed.
Interim order plus alia still continue.
Grateful, my lord.
Meaningless.
Satisfaction, my lord.
Then
Item number 35 to 40.
what is this IA again? Same.
My lord, may it please lordship.
IA.
Yes, I have filed this IA, my lord.
35 to
35 to 40. This IA has been filed in item number 40, your lordship.
40.
40.
Not IA 199 is for
This IA has been.
40.
Yes.
What for?
My lord, I have filed this IA to include the name of the petitioners in this survey, ongoing survey that has been carried out pursuant to the order passed by this honorable court, your lordship.
Where is that?
Yes, your lordship may come to page number. First, your lordship may come to the page 67 of the IA, your lordship.
67.
67. That was passed in the connected writ petition, that is item number 36. The operative portion is at page number. Page number 74, your lordship. Para 9. May I read the,
Implement time kai. Yes.
may I read the paragraph 9, man. Taking into account the aforesaid submissions and consent of all the counsel appearing for the respective parties, this code directs as follows.
Listed for the first time.
The IA was listed for the first time.
This is listed for the first
Yes,
time.
yes.
Well, issue notice. Let's see.
My lord, what has happened? The survey is going to complete and the petitioner's name is not included.
We'll see. You go to, any objection?
No, actually, I have not received the copy also.
Copious.
Please, my lord. My lord, in item number 39,
Ah.
I have filed an IA, my lord, for implement as a party. In item number 39, my lord.
Then 39.
39.
Where it is? IA 1117.
Yes, my lord.
In
For implement, my lord.
in 171.
171.
Implement of what?
The respondent, my lord. Private respondent.
Where?
In 171.
Yes, who is for the petitioner?
Petitioner is Mr. Senior Counsel Prohibitions.
So
He's not a senior.
you may have some objection.
Yes.
Okay, heard, Mr.
M. Ratan.
In item
39.
39. This is an application for seeking implement of the applicants as respondents in the connected PC 171 of 2026. Issue notice returnable by parties. The land council put the applicant to take steps.
My lord, in item number 35, may I pray that the matter may be taken about third, my lord, because the survey is already going to be completed in the coming days, my lord. Without hearing us, they have doing the survey process, my lord.
As prayed for by the, Mr.
P. Bora.
P. Bora, learned counsel for the applicant. List this matter after
On 3rd of September, my
you
lord.
find out whether they can be allowed or
We'll serve them a copy today, my lord.
Mr. Wairira, learned state council.
I'm for NHIDCL.
Mr. RB Yadav, learned council for standing council, learned council
Not-
NHIDCL, as well as Mr. MS Ojerang Ford, learned DAG are present. On third, all
My lord.
listed on third.
My lord, deeply honest.
Item number 41 and 42.
My lord,
So
this is
39 IA, you just issue notice. All right. And rest, they will listed together. On third call. Common order. Yes.
my lord, this is a
It is-
2017 matter.
Still
my lord.
survives.
Yeah.
Still survives.
Yes, my lord. Our instruction is that, my lord, out of these three petitioners, my lord, this petitioner number 1 and 2 has been reinstated in their position, my lord.
Ah.
But this petitioner number 3 has been still deprived, my lord.
Ah.
So, my lord, pray for a direction to the respondent authority to, my lord, grant equal relief to the petitioner number 3 also, my
We
lord,
don't
because
know.
they were terminated by the common order.
Terminated, we have to hear on hearing. Ready?
No, Lordship, for hearing maybe fix another day, Lordship. I'm in item number 41, I'm for the
2017.
petitioner.
And so far as item 20, this 41 is 42 is concerned,
So, my lord, these two may
he
be
was appointed at
1970.
1970.
yes, my.
What is the age?
I have crossed
What was the age?
60 years.
My lord, as per provision, one should not be above 60 years, my lord.
So it become infructuous.
But
that time it was 70 years. You were 70 years.
I have crossed 60 years.
Page 29. Pangmarama aged about 70 years, son of late Jacob Potop. Who is for the petition here?
I am for the petitioner, Lordship, in item number 42.
42.
Yes.
Yes, see. In 2021, he was 70 years.
Yes. Lordship, for final disposal, another than verification.
What disclose final disclosure? You are no longer, eligible. Over is it? What is the requirement? Above 70 years. Can he be a head gambura?
No, my lord.
What is the age limit? What is the age limit?
Age limit is, my lord, one should not be above 60 years, my lord.
Then
And
gambura it requires experience and command in the society.
yeah. And my lord, only after interviewing both the parties, my lord, this respondent, sole respondent was, my lord, selected. My lord.
How old you are?
Yeah.
But you are junior to him.
Yes. My lord.
How old you are?
Exactly, my lord. I'm not updated, my lord.
No, that time.
That time, 57, my lord.
Then now you are also, if it is age limit is 60 years, you are also above. So why this cannot be disposed of?
Leading counsel is Mr. L. Parmel, Lordship. Due to some personal difficulty, is not here, Lordship.
The last note there. Why this has been listed together? It's not related. It's an appointment, but then different villages.
Yes, my lord. These two may be kindly segregated, my lord, because item 41 is against termination and 42 is for appointment, my lord.
Then you bring on record that subsequent development that you are not pressing in respect of petitioner 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Who has been
Reinstated, my. Yeah.
On its own or on the order of the by virtue of the order of this court?
On its own, my lord. During pendency this year only, my.
It is submitted by Mr. N. Pada, Learned Counsel, but the petitioner is that during the pendency of this writ petition, the respondent number?
Petitioner number 1 and
petition number 1 and 2.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, my lord.
1 and 2 have been appointed on its own merit. Has been appointed as head Gabura.
Yes, my lord.
On its own merit.
It's a reinstatement, my lord, because they were terminated by the common order, my.
Okay, reinstated. Therefore, you will not press in respect of respondent 1 and 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, petition number 1 and 2. Mister. Then, what is to be done?
Then, my lord, a similar relief may be, my lord, granted to petitioner number 3, ma'am.
How can we say so? Unless we decide. Yes, what do you say? Are you ready?
Lordship, in item number 41, I'm for respondent number 4 to 6. Mr. L. Perme will be arguing on this case, Lordship.
Mr. Last answer you are granting 2 weeks last answer.
Yes, Lordship.
Next para. Mr. Esiran.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
L. Perme for respondent number 4 to 6.
Counsel for the petitioner in WPC 207 and respondent in
respondent number 4 to 6, Lordship.
4 to 6 in WPC 776 of 2027. Press that matter may be adjourned. On the ground that the Mr. L. Permit, leading counsel, is indisposed today. Mr. Concerned about, let this matter be listed. After 2 weeks, no, Mr. It is made clear that no further adjournment shall be granted on the next date. 2 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, impugned order is at page 105. Here, Lordship, the dispute is in regards to a lane which is under acquisition process. Now, dispute is before the concerned deputy commissioner, where the parties are disputing that the lane which is under acquisition, notification is also there, Lordship. And this is acquired as per 2013 Act. Notification clearly speaks that it is acquisition process has been initiated under section 2013 Act. Now here, Lordship, time and again, Lordship, the circle officer, who is also not belonging to that particular circle where that particular acquisition process is being carried out. Here, Lordship, 105, Lordship will see that circle officer of Goiliang, Anjou district, he has issued this order, Lordship, directing the Hej Gambura of Walong and Kibitu circle, who is also the president of Inter-Village Territorial Customary Court, Now Lordship is aware, Lordship. As per the AP Civil Code and the Assam Frontier Regulation 1945 and 2013 Act, Lordship, when the acquisition process has been initiated, Lordship, other than Deputy Commissioner, other officers does not have the power to adjudicate whatever dispute is arising in the due process. Lordship will see 2013 Act. In 2013 Act, Lordship, in case of any such dispute, provisions are there, Lordship. The Deputy Commissioner will make the reference before the reference authority. Section 64, and if the dispute is in regards to apportionment, he will refer that matter under Section 76 of the 2013 Act. Moreover, if the if there is a complex title dispute, normally the Deputy Commissioners refers the matter before the concerned civil court.
You have filed an objection.
Lordship, in previously also this same kind of a order was passed. Lordship will see that order at page 81, Lordship.
See, no, you have filed an objection. Claims and objection.
Claims and objection we have filed. We have filed.
Acquisition of the land.
We have filed.
That the circle officer directed the head GB to decide it.
Lordship, here the issue is, Lordship, the circle officer of Goeliang Circle has issued this order.
No, what I'm saying is, if the circle officer, if the claims and objections are filed, it is the deputy collector who should decide.
Yes, correct.
Not by any other forum.
Yes, yes.
What do you say?
It's true as per 2013 Act. But then since the disputing parties, they seems to be from different area. So therefore this inter-village court has been directed to ascertain, settle the dispute.
What is the objection there? You have filed an objection before the deputy commissioner.
Claiming that land belongs to us, Lordship.
In the acquisition proceeding.
Yes, Lordship.
Where it is? Where is your this objection?
Page 55, Lordship. Page 55. This is one representation we have filed, and page 62 also.
Any land estimators, any agency. You want that this association should decide it?
Lordship, initially this was the, may come to page 62, Lordship. From page 62, it becomes more clear, Lordship.
Okay, then, yes.
I don't make issue notice at this stage.
Don't act upon this. Affairs primacy appears to be they have the jurisdiction.
Yes.
If it is in respect of acquisition, DC has to decide. Isn't it?
Yes.
Or Mr. What is that?
Don't.
You're not clear.
Yes.
Or Mr. J. Land counsel to the petitioner. One or two
Her lordship will be one.
petitioner. Challenges made in this writ petition is to the communication dated 18.
Yes, lordship, 18.
Sorry.
18 August.
18/08/2026 by the circle officer from Goiliang, Anjo district to the head Gabura, Walong and Kibitu circle, Kibitu circle, whereby the head Gabura, Walang and Kibitu circle has been requested to take off all pending objections from claims and counterclaims of the parties in the land acquisition proceedings. Land acquisition proceedings. In connection with the what? In connection with
KB2 Kondau Defense Road Project.
KB2 Kundao Defense Road Project within bracket 0.00 kilometers to 19.557 kilometers bracket close. Being executed by the border road organization. It's where it is in the Kibito circle.
Yes, KB2 circle.
In the Kibito circle of Anjo district, Arunachal Pradesh. Mr. It is the contention of the petitioner that an objection of the representation has been filed before the deputy commissioner.
Correct.
From time to time to claims and objection of the representation have been filed from time to time before the deputy commissioner regarding the acquisition of land measuring about 56.9690 hectares.
Correct, Lord.
Situated Situated where? Kibito?
Yes.
In Kibito Circle. For construction of please stop. The respondent authorities that has not been, there is still proceedings going on.
Yes, it's going on.
Has initiated the land acquisition proceedings for construction of strategic Kibito Punda defense route to be being executed by the Border Route Organization. List of the it is the case of the petitioner that the objection and the claims and objection by the claims and objection has to be decided by the deputy commissioner and the land in case of acquisition proceedings. List of the entrusting of power to decide the claims and objection to the head governor is against the is in subversion of the provisions of right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation, resettlement Act 2013, and the violation of Armature for the Civil Code Act 2021. As the head governor of the Inter-Village Sterile Customary Court has no jurisdiction to decide such claim and objection in the case in the land acquisition proceedings. List of issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. D. Kamduk Lamet, Additional Advocate General, and MS
Appearing on behalf of CDC, Mr. K. Lawyer. Corresponding number 15, 16, and 17.
Additional Advocate enters and MSK Lawyer, Land Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Kato,
No,
Land
Your Lordship.
CGC.
Yes, CDC, Mr. K. Lawyer.
K. Lawyer, Land Counsel for the Land CGC. Correspondent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 16 and 17.
15,
Enters
16, 17.
appearance and accepts notice on behalf of the respondent. No. No, you just said enters appearance and accept notice on behalf of respondent number 1 to 7, huh?
Yes.
1 to 7, 16 and 17. Huh?
Sir, 15.
Enters appearance on behalf of respondent number. Enters appearance. No formal notice need we have extra copy beside. Petitioners to take stage for service of notice upon respondent number 8, 9,
8 to 14.
8 to 14 by speed post as well as usual process. Next para. Ardent intent prayer. Next para. The respondent authorities appears to have initiated land acquisition proceedings for for construction of the strategic KB2 Kunda Defense Road being executed by the Border Road Organization. The land which the petitioner claims to be the land which the petitioner the land which the petitioner claims to have private ownership. List of the petitioner and other stakeholders claiming the land ownership of the aforesaid land have filed claims and objections before the Deputy Commissioner Anjo District. List of under the law, it is the Deputy Commissioner oblique the collector who has to decide the claims and objection in respect in the land acquisition proceedings. List of privacy and not the and Gabura or the intervallist territorial customary court. List of considering privacy that the circle officer Goila would not have jurisdiction over the area as he would not have an administrative control to the Kibito over the Kibito circle.
Correct.
Being the circle officer of Goiliang circle. Goiliang circle.
Goiliang circle. Circle officer is from Goiliang.
Goiliang circle. And the Dab Valley Goiliang circle. And the objection, claims and objection ought not to have been entrusted to be decided by the HGB or intervallist territorial customary court. Above the considered view that an interim order is called for at this stage. List of accordingly, the impugn communication dated 18/08/2026 by the circle officer Goiliang to the HGB Walang and Kibito circle shall remain state. In other words, no proceedings be taken up for settlement of the pending claims and objection filed by the petitioner in respect of the land acquisition proceedings. List after 4 weeks.
Obliged.